Hello everyone, welcome to our Maths Club The Axis. I am Aniket Kandarkar from MIT UI. In this module, we will learn an important topic of quantitative aptitude, that is time and work. So, we all know what is time and what is work. We will understand the topic by solving some questions that are being asked in different competitive exams, and at the end, we will solve a quiz on it. So let's start with question number 1. We'll solve this question by two different methods. So this is question number 1. Before solving this question, we will strongly recommend you to pause the video and try to solve it by it yourself, and later on match the answer with what we have solved. So the question states that so consider in this scenario you and your friend, you as A and your friend as B. So and college has given you a work or a project. You are taking 8 days to complete the work that your friend takes 10 days to complete the same work. The question here it's asked that when you both are working together, how much time will it take? First, we will start with our general approach. So here it is given that it takes 8 days to finish a piece of work. So in one day it will take 1 by 8. That of B it will take 1 by 10. So together they will do the addition of both, that is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 40. So reciprocal of it, that is 40 by 9, that will be our answer. So it will take 40 by 9 days to finish the work. You might be thinking that if the general method is so easy, then why should we learn the another method? The answer for this is simple. Now all the questions are not of same type and not of same difficult level. So we need a general method that can solve all such kind of problems, even the problem gets complicated. So for this reason, we are going to see a tricky method. The tricky method is This is the tricky way that we are going to use to solve most of the problems of time and work. This method contains of 4 steps. We'll try to solve the same problem so that there will be no confusion in the concept. So first step is we have to calculate the total unit of work. So that can be calculated by taking LCM of both 8, that is number of days taken by A, and 10, number of days taken by B. So that comes to be around 40. Now let's go to second step. In second step, we need to calculate efficiency of both A and B individually. So you might be thinking, what is efficiency? Efficiency is number of unit work done per unit time. So that can be given by the formula total units of work divided by total time taken to complete the work. So putting the values in this formula, the quiz is that from first step we have calculated total units of work, that is 40. Then we will divide that by total time taken by 8, that is 8. That comes around 5 units per day. Now, similarly, we will calculate efficiency of P, that comes to be around 4 units of work per day. So let's move to step 3. Here we have to calculate the total efficiency of A and B. So that can be given by the formula efficiency of A and B is equal to efficiency of A plus efficiency of B. We have calculated the efficiencies of A and B in step number 2. So adding both we get it as 9. Now let's move to step number 4, that is our last step. Here we have to calculate time taken to complete total unit of work by A and B together, as mentioned in the question. So number of days taken by A plus B is given by the formula total units of work divided by total efficiency of A and B. So it is comes around 40 by 9. That was same as of that we found by general method. So our answer matches and this is correct. So this is the correct name. Don't worry, I will show you a simple step to remember the all the four steps. You can remember this diagram to solve the questions on time and work in the exam. So in this diagram, first you will see the number of you have to first write the given words. See the given A, that is 8 days, and B of 10 days. Then we will go to first step. In first step we have to remove LCM of 8 and 10, that comes around 40, that is our total unit of work. Then we'll move to the step 2. We have to remove the efficiency, that is the total unit of work divided by the number of days. For A and B, we have calculated the efficiencies here in step 2. Then we will move to step 3 by adding this both. That comes around 9. Now in step 4 we have step 4 we will remove time taken by A and B together. So in step 4 it comes to be step 1 divided by step 3, that is 40 by 9 days. So in this way you can remember this kind of questions easily. So let's increase the difficulty level of the question and move towards next question, question number 2. Here we have increased the variable to 4. Now consider your 4 friends, that's A, B, C and D. The first friend takes 8 days to complete the work, the second friend takes 10 days, the third friend takes 20 days, and the fourth friend takes 40 days. Now how long will it take to complete the work when they all are doing together? So let us try to solve the question. We again recommend you to solve it by your own, by the steps that we have provided you in the previous page. So here is the solution in 4 steps. So first you will write the given things. A takes 8 days, B takes 10 days, C takes 20 days and D takes 40 days. Now we will first do step 1, that is total unit of work, by removing LCM of these 4 numbers, that comes around 40 units. Now we will proceed towards step 2. Now we will remove efficiency of each of the efficiency of A comes 40 by 8, that is 5, B comes to be 4, C comes, that is 2, and of D it comes a 1. Now adding this in third step we get answer as 12. Now we will move our final step, that is time taken by all of them together, that will be our step 1 divided by step 3. So our answer comes to be 40 by 12, that is 10 by 3 days. So it's easy and we have solved such kind of problems. Hope so you are comfortable with these 4 steps, and now henceforth you can solve this kind of problems within few minutes easily. Now let's increase the difficulty level of this kind of problems, and let's move towards question number 3. This is example number 3. Read the problem carefully. Here they have given in the opposite way. So you and your friend together, they have given, they are completing the work in 10 days. You can complete the work in 15 days. Now they have asked how much time will it take for B to complete the work alone. This way the question is in opposite direction. So here is the solution with the 4 steps that we have done. So as they have given, we have to write first that total work by A plus B, it is 10, that of A is 15. So the total unit of work that we are calculating by removing LCM, it comes around 30. Now let's move towards second step. Second step, we remove efficiencies. Now here we have to remove efficiency of what we have. So A plus B, the efficiency, it comes around total unit of 30 divided by number of days, that comes around 3. That of A, it comes to be 2. Now here we are adding it. Now here we are unknown with B, so we will keep B on other side. So when A comes here, it becomes subtraction, so we have to subtract it. So our answer comes 3 minus 2, that is 1. And the third step, as we know the formula, efficiency of B is equal to total efficiency minus efficiency of A. You come answer 1. Now we have to calculate the time that is taken by the bee. So that is step 1 divided by step 3 is 30 divided by 1. The answer is 30 days. Hope so you are cleared with concept. Hooray, we have done it. We have completed the concept of time and work. And hope so you are now able to give the quiz without any difficulties. If you are having any query, you can write in the comment section or in the feedback section that we are going to provide. Thanks a lot for listening patiently. Hope so you enjoyed it and best of luck for your quiz.